Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Thunderstorm warning for Lee County in central South Carolina, northern Sumter County in central South Carolina, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Bishopville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bishopville, Lee State Park, Elliott, Maysville, Lynchburg, Ashwood, Oswego, Manville, Spring Hill, St. Charles, Watery River Correctional Institution, Rembert, Wysocki, Woodrow, and Dalzell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 109 and 126. Interstate 95 near mile marker 139. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.